Hello and welcome back yet to another video with the bit blonde, the craziest blonde in a world about crypto, perhaps in the universe. I am back. In fact, I've been trading mostly by my own these days from here. So, guys, it's a very important moment, okay? Opportunities like this do not happen all the time, but when they happen, we need to embrace them. Wall Street is facing chaos right now. Before we get into any content, I will just do my very quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must, as always, do your own market research, okay? But talking back about my opinion, which, it might matter for some people, it might not, and I'm fine with it, okay? I think opportunities like this create generation of wealth. And if you are like me, who came from absolutely fucking nothing, it's very interesting and important for you to understand opportunities like this. I saw the US dollar fall, like I swear to whatever in the universe out there. I swear that I made an article last week on my LinkedIn talking about the USD and what can happen. United States is in a massive decline. Even knowing that I've got my loved ones there, I got family there, I'm not, I don't want to touch that much. But the main point is, this empire is about to collapse, and we, as crypto traders, can take fully advantage of it. As when people are very fearful, is exactly when I am back. I'm back all in. And you should, because it's exactly when opportunities are in. You have to buy when everybody's freaking out, and I fucking love it. So with that said, let's go straight into the Bitcoin price and the latest news today. And I'm just gonna sit here to read it for you, and I hope you guys are doing well in your crypto journey, because guess what? I am. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you miss me? Probably not. I'm crazy. Listen, if you live inside these markets, one thing you will learn, you got to be a little bit cray-cray, okay? This is manipulators on top of manipulators, problems on top of problems, and we like to, jump in and out. I was fucking trading. I was hustling out here. I swear I was hustling by the pool, but I was hustling, and I was like, it's not time to go back with trading. And guess what happened? A massive correction, and everybody's freaking out. And I still think there is no reason to freak out, because Bitcoin apparently is creating a new dip, but 78 to 80 would be the level to watch. We could potentially dip to 97,000, and then we could go back to 80, okay, if we don't hold where we are at the moment. Today, on the 4-hourly time frame, we are holding at 104,000. However, I am not trading right now, and I'm not. I just think that is a good time to DCA, okay? Altcoins, I am not gonna talk on it, because if you made a couple of sells, and I posted on my Telegram, I made a couple of shorts at Sui and Say, okay, both, and I told people on telly, I'm gonna short because it was the great time to short. So now, if you are looking into short altcoins, you should wait for the best momentum on a 4-hourly time frame, okay? Because everything got a small correction today to start dipping again, on my opinion. But if you are looking into the long term, I believe with everything that is happening in today's market, in today's Wall Street situation, Bitcoin, Ethereum is still one of the best assets to park your money. I know It sounds crazy, but crypto will survive. The more problems government have, better is for us. So next level to watch, 96, 97K. However, if we hold here, fine. If not, we could go all the way down to 80 something, 78. Okay, but I'm not gonna be so fucking bearish yet, because we did hold, nicely today. So I am personally waiting for tomorrow to take my next decision, because I think that is just worth to wait sometimes. But let's move to the daily. Let's see the big picture on a daily. On a daily, we still have a massive gap to fill. And you know that the market has memory. So sooner or later, it has to fill this gap. And as I mentioned, we could go to 87 or even lower at the end of the gap. Okay, but if you look into the big picture, the previous support is 76K. And I mentioned that 80K would be the next level to watch if we're likely to go down. However, we got to keep tracking the price tomorrow on the 4-hourly time frame to see what's going to happen. However, if we keep holding like this, I would potentially open a long position tomorrow, and I'm going to share here, okay, or after tomorrow, because we have to wait on the confirmation, right? But moving to the latest article, and let me know if you can hear if everything is working fine, because I think you can. Okay, according to Crypto Saving Expert, and by the way, you get the links down below to Crypto Saving Expert store and the course. If you don't have experience with, it could be an interesting opportunity. So have a look at Crypto Saving Expert. And according to Crypto Saving Expert, Trump versus Musk, the billionaire third rattles Bitcoin bulls. Bitcoin dips near 100K amid a public fallout between Donald Trump and Elon Musk, triggering mass long liquidations and wider crypto market losses. Bitcoin dropped nearly 3%, nearing to the 100K level amid rising tension between Trump and Musk. 380 mil in Bitcoin long positions were liquidated as traders were caught off guard. Elon Musk warned Trump tariff policies could trigger a recession in the H2 2025. Trump voted to cut SpaceX government contract, escalating the third. Long-term BTC holders are selling off following May all-time high of 111.970K. Market drops as political drama hits up. Bitcoin investors took a hit on 5th of June as the cryptocurrency plugged from 105,915K to 100,500K just in hours. The price has since recovered slightly to 102, 180K. But the pullback has erased over 300 million in long positions, according to CoinGlass. The drop wasn't just technical. It coincided with escalating political spat between former ally Donald Trump and Elon Musk, who third is now spilling over into financial market. Musk-Trump tariffs equal recession incoming. The drama hit certain stage when Musk took to X and slumped Trump's plan to impose global tariffs, warning it would cause a recession in the second half of this year. The statement echoed broader market fear that Trump policies could delay monetary easing, as highlighted by Swift analyst Pav Hu-Dao. He wanted that without hard data, the Fed might stall rate cuts, risking a growth slowdown at the time when crypto markets are hungry for bullish macro conditions. Trump, I will cut Musk contract. Trump didn't take Musk comments lightly. Posting on his Trump social platform, Trump announced he would terminate Musk government subsidies and federal contracts, claiming it would save US billions and billions of dollars. Musk fired back dramatically. In light of President's statement, SpaceX will begin decommissioning its Dragon spacecraft immediately. The billionaire later walked back the comment, but the damage was done. Investor sentiment in both equities and crypto took a hit. Bitcoin holders cashing out, compounding the political chaos. Long-term BTC holders are taking profit after Bitcoin all-time high of 109.70k on May 22, according to Glassnode, with long-term holders gradually applying sell pressure. The probability of a short-term correction continues to build. The lack of the new bullish catalyst has left Bitcoin on a very shaky ground, and as a author ciphered then, I hope it's right, Almonds noted early this week, not just BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Solana slide too. The crypto sell-off wasn't limited to Bitcoin. Across the board, major altcoins saw step drops. ETH down 7.25%, XRP down 0.35%, and Sol down 5.20%. The total crypto liquidations reached 982.55 mil, with 891.63 mil coming from the long positions alone. The key takeaway, as Musk and Trump part ways politically, the crypto market appears to be unexpected casualty, with the investor confidence shaken, long-term holders selling, and macro fear resurfacing. Bitcoin battle to stay above six-figure might just begin. Alright, what do I have to take from this entire history? Let me tell you something. Even knowing that Donald Trump helped a lot the adoption, he was trying actually to make some money on top of MAGA too. They all come to this space to make profit, okay? These people are big players. They will always manipulate on their favor, okay? So what I can take from that, this is exactly and the same as Brexit. They have absolutely no fucking clue in whatever they do, but they came into their space, they saw the potential, and it's really, really hard to be, saying that Elon Musk is right or Trump is right. But I personally think Elon is a little bit more trustable. He's been with Dogecoin for a long time, and Donald Trump came into the space to get voted. We all know that, but he also helped the crypto industry. So there are a couple of things to analyze. But remember, markets are always about uncertainty and how you can make profits on top of it. So tomorrow I will be back with another video, and this week I want to be close to the market. As I mentioned before, opportunities like this do not happen all the time, so when they play out, I really tend to be here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Let's keep watching what's gonna happen tonight. But in a long-term talking, I definitely believe that crypto is the best place ever, because the US stocks are about to go bananas. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you.